Here's the app called Opusclip AI video clipping. Turn long videos into shorts. Pretty cool app, pretty cool idea. On the go AI clipper that transforms long videos into viral ready shorts. Opusclip #1 AI video clipping tool that fits an entire editing studio in your pocket. Just upload your video and Opusclip will find the gold nugget moments with AI smart highlighting, auto clip and caption the best parts. Brand your clip with templates, fonts, and colors to match your style. Publish in one tap to every major platform. Opusclip lets you create 10 plus share worthy shorts from a single video anytime, anywhere. Free to use with monthly credit that renew each month. One long video, 10 viral clips, captions that pop, virality scores for each clip, edit less, customize more, and one-click social sharing. If you're a creator, definitely worth a try. Super cool. So here you just have it, and let's just create an account in here. No project yet, so here you have credits. One credit, 1 minute of video. So here you have it. Credits. I don't know whether it's have some referral codes. Nope. So monthly $29 per month or $15 per month, 150 credits. But yeah, let's just try it out. Then here I just have some video, simple screen recording video. Quick preset. Credit usage 1 credit. Clipping mode, AI clipping, clip lengths, aspect ratio, quick presets. And then you just tap to get clips in one click. Yes, you can see it. Yeah, it's taking some time here. So yeah. So yeah, here now you can see your clips are ready. And then there is also like easily edit clips on desktop app. So it's still taking some time. So yeah. Here is Crime Radar app, crime map, and police audio. Stay aware with timely alerts. Crime Radar maps live emergency radio so you can track nearby incidents. Timely safety alerts from wildfires to highway accidents as police call out. Here's what's happening and make smart, safe decisions wherever you are. Here is Crime Radar app. So that's kind of the idea. Timely safety alerts from wildfires to highway accidents as police call out. Stay aware with prompt notification. Interactive safety map, customizable filters, listen to first responders. So yeah, that's kind of the idea. Pretty cool app, and timely safety alerts from wildfires to highway accidents as police. So yeah, that's just what you have. Kind of super easy to cut, and then you can just, for example, if I just tap on it, and then I would just want to share it. So super easy then to share it somewhere on Instagram or okay, but that's I understand, but how do I do like one click share? Um that's just what you can get. Yeah, so something like that. That's just what you can do. So something like that.